Hello beautiful people, you are most welcome to my channel. If you are new, consider subscribing. I would like to appreciate my returning subscribers for always watching my videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you a very simple hair puff, a very simple natural hairstyle, and it can be high puff or pineapple. Okay, and these are things that we need leave-in conditioner. Guys, my hair is already washed and it is well tangled, so I don't need to spray water on it. I just need leave-in conditioner. I use Kanto. I need this. Hope you're seeing, guys. We need this. Alright guys, my hair is already washed. I don't need any water. I'll just apply conditioner. By the way, my hair is just 1 year after a big shop. My hair is just 1 year. See guys, yeah, it is well tangled because I can pass through my fingers. We are doing the easiest natural hairstyle. Wash and go. I forgot to show you, we need also brush. Super easy wash and go hairstyle. Then you bring the hair tie. It determines the hair tie you want to use, guys. Okay. Alright guys, I hope it comes. This doesn't come. Let's use something else. Let's use this. This can tighten well. Alright, guys. Alright. Yeah, this is the most easiest hairstyle. Guys, don't forget you have to lay the baby hair, the edges. Yeah, we have to lay the baby hair. We have to first remove it. Remove the baby hair. Have to first take out the baby hair. La, 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 la. Take out the baby hair. Then you can style. Right, guys. We are laying baby hair. And I'm not too perfect in baby hairstyling. As you can see, guys, I'm not perfect. I'm just trying. Hope it comes. I hope it comes. Hope, guys, it comes. My lord, I wonder. Well, the hairstyle, the baby hair is not that perfect, but we can move like that. This side. Oh. We can go like that. There is no harm. Yeah. And it looks nice, guys. Hope you can see well. It looks very nice. Well, right now I'm using this styling gel, but I refer you using Eco Styling Gel or Canto Styling Gel. Those are the best styling gels. Alright guys, hope the video is over. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.